Ladies and gentlemen, this is Judy from the Chinese manufacturer. We are specialized in the production of CO2 layer tubers. Okay, you can see our picture. Yeah. Many of our clients encounter different layer tubers problem when using them. Our factory communicate with and summarize some common issues of the using layer tuber. So today I would like to share with you the frequent layer tubers problem that you may encounter at the same time. Yeah. Okay, as you can see behind me is our CO2 production line. This is our model. First, leakage. Okay. Layer tubers leakage is a very common problem. We divide the leakage into two situations: night leakage and wide leakage. Okay. In the only performance of slide leakage is that the color will change. For example, this is the layer tubers. There will be a pink line in middle when the layer tuber operation. And someday you may find it the pink light changes red or default, red or purple, which is distinguished by a red light. That means the laser tuber has slight leakage. There are also the serious wine leakage. When your laser tube has a problem of wine leakage, your laser tubers have a teeth end with the red color in it. There will be the pumping sound, and there may be no laser comes out. There may be these two situations means that your laser tuber may have some problem of the serious wine leakage. That's about the two performers of leakage. Next. Being model deform. Okay, being model deform. When we send you the laser tuber in our factory, before we send it to you, we must make sure that this laser tuber's beam comes wrong and the central energy concentrated output power is high. You receive this laser tuber, and we are very satisfied with the laser cutting speed and the quality. But maybe someday you find that this laser tuber is not good as before. There may be the beam model deform. You can check the laser comes outside the lasers. Okay, let's remove the cover. You see, there's lasers here. Just to check if it is dirty. When you cut in different material, for example, fabric, wood, acrylic, they will cause the many dust in the workshop. So check this layer tubers first. If this is dirty, one gently with the laser paper and alcohol. If the laser is dirty, it will deform the beam model. Yeah, and will affect your laser cutting. And the glass stretches. Okay, you see this whole laser tuber, we use cold glass tube. The material is the glass. Yeah, this laser tubers has the glass strips. When we made the laser tuber, we will put them on the shield to release the glass strips. Yeah. This laser tuber will after long time release, this laser tuber can become more stable. But in a small probability that the laser tuber will release over time. That will also affect the beam model and cause the weak beam performance. That's to beam model deform. Yeah. High voltage breakdown. Okay, you may familiar with the high voltage breakdown if you use the laser tuber commonly. High voltage breakdown is here. With carbon base, we say that the normal working we will pin 90 in middle. If you find this pink line randomly around the whole cavity, or you find the water, lots of water rushed into the glass, the whole glass, that means your laser tuber has a problem of breakdown. That's because high voltage and they will have a high voltage breakdown. Then they will defects there the glass, and the light, the water through defects rush the whole glass. Situation of high voltage breakdown, and when you start your laser machine, you may find there will bright spot or buzzing sound at the high voltage end. That also means your laser tuber has a problem of high voltage breakdown. Yeah. Okay. Night white. Okay. We first said the laser tuber's liquid, which is the color pink light, will change deep red or purple. Then, if the light changes white, that means your laser tuber has a long time use. It's overused or expired. Yeah, that will show the white light. Next. No laser. No laser come out. If your laser tuber has the problem of the serious leakage, they will no laser. And there are many other situations. You can first check your power supply. The power supply fan is still working, and then if the power supply fan is not working, that means the power supply is wrong. Replace a new power supply. Or the situation that your power supply is good, and you can unblock the power single line. Yeah, that's a method to check no laser the problem. They unblock the power single line and place. They will read the test, but on your power supply test. And then if the laser tuber is on, that means the laser tuber is good. There may be some problem. If there's no beam, there's some problem with the power supply or protection or some other circuits. Yeah. If this laser tuber is still off, not working, then maybe this laser tuber is wrong. You just to replace another new one to check again. Yeah. It would create water protection problem. Yeah. If there's something wrong with your water protection protection, there's no beam comes also. Yeah. There's another situation. If there's no water, you start the laser tuber, and then turn on the water, the laser tuber will explode. And most of our machine is when you turn on the machine, the water protection is on at the same time, but there also the water protection program linked with your laser machine. Okay, last. Okay, laser tuber weaken. Whether it's a laser tuber weaken, and how to check if you're without your power meter. Usually, our customer send the laser tuber to our factory, and we test with the power meter, and we can quickly check if this laser tuber is weak. But in your own workshop, you may without your power meter. There's some methods to check again. If you encounter this situation, that the current count rose above 10, that means your power supply is something wrong. Just replace a new one, then the machine will recover. And there's another check method. The same machine, same optical path, and same lessons reflect, lessons focus, lessons. If one laser tuber speed is slower than another, that means this slower speed laser tuber has weak. Yeah. Just the elimination method to confirm the situation. Okay, above 6 points is our summarized the conventions of laser tuber. If you have some new, you can share with us. Okay, and you can leave message to me. Okay, bye bye.